Okay, good evening. Welcome back. Easy Power BI by Sri Krishna Soft Skills. Okay, thank you, friends. Today we are going to discuss about most of the important interview asked question, and it is very frequently asked question in some subjects, and also in our real time scenarios. We regular used sentences like some and some x. Okay, this is these are the DAX aggregation functions. This is the most important one, sum and sum x. So basically then some x. So what are the cycle row level contest and filter level contest, cell level contest? So we have actually basically three types of contest. Okay, in Excel, whenever we are seeing the Excel, so this is the row level contest. So this is the filter level contest. So whatever this one, two, three, like that, this one is the, so column by column it is the filter level contest. So it is the row, the single row is the row level contest. And for example, if you want to, for example, sum of is equal to sum of something. For example, this row and plus comma this row, it will work on the Excel. Okay, but it does not work on the Power BI. So Power BI only either row level contest or the either filter level contest. So this row by row. Okay, these it will work. So it is a cell level context. Actually, we have a three context, but we work in the Power BI only two contexts will it will work. So when coming to the sum and sum x, so sum how it will work and sum x how it will work, then we will see. So okay, then what Excel it will work, then we will see, and then at the same thing we will load into the Power BI desktop, and then the same thing it will work or not, then we will see. Okay, sum will work. Actually, basically sum will do what we will do, only sum the these values. Okay, auto sum. So these are total values is 63. So for example, the customer wants to given this data, and then they will ask for the total sale amount. So how much sales they have. For example, this is the one day sales amount. So for example, employee one, quantity two, or for example, price is something. So either name, it is the product name. For example, employee one, employee two, EMP one is the product name. Okay, otherwise then you will take the product one even also. Okay, product. So product one, like that, product two, product three, product four, then you will take it, there is no issue. Okay, these are product name. Okay, the which product the quantity is two, the price is 1,000. Okay, then how much sales? So like that, then we will calculate, we want the total sale amount. So how much we sold for this day, this is the requirement. Okay, then how can you achieve? So this is the first sum will work this basis. This is the, for example, this is the one single column. Another one, the sum will it will work this the second one. So this is the 90,000 sold. Okay, this is the amount, and this is the amount. So then now you want to sum again, then it will count up this product and quantity in a price. So it will get the total sale amount. So then this equal to this into this. So how much? So 56 lakhs 70,000. So this is the total sale amount, but it is the wrong answer. So why? Because of then you will multiple this one. For example, if is equal to this one multiplication of this one. Okay, how much? So for example, 2,000 only. This product one is 2,000, and like that, this is the total is the total is the how much this one, this much and this much. So 56,000. So not this one. Okay, one second. Yeah. So when you calculate the sum x we will use, you will get the 491. Only 4,91,000 only. This is the total sale amount. Okay, because of this is the quantity of 63, and then this is the quantity price. So then it will row by row it will calculate. So sum x it will give the correct result. So whenever you use the sum, then first you will calculate the total quantity, and then second one you will calculate the price amount. Okay. So after that, then you multiple the total quantity and the total price. So it will get the wrong result. So how it will work in the Power BI desktop, then we will see. Okay. Then we will go into the Power BI desktop. Already I opened the Power BI desktop. Okay. So in the Power BI desktop, where I open this actually file. So this go to the transform data. Go to the transform data. So already I loaded this data. Okay, earlier. Just now I have loaded the data. So just I change it to the product name. Employee, I change this one. Then I'll go the source data. Okay. When you refresh the data, for example, if you home and then you refresh the data, then you will get it the data. Okay, so these are same. For example, product ID, name, employee one, employee two, same quantity. The same thing I loaded. So and close and apply to. So it come into the Power BI desktop. Okay, this is the where we see the data. This one data set. Okay, this is the product ID. This one employee name, and then this one quantity. This is the price. Okay, quantity and price. Okay, then we will create a measure. Okay, for using the sum. Okay, go to the new measure. Okay, so then what is the sum underscore price, for example, is equal to, so what function we will use? Sum. So what is the column name? Price. So price. So the what is the product name? Table name is the product. So this is the price. Okay. So this will we will calculate the first price. Okay. Then again we will create the another measure. So this is for sum underscore quantity. Okay, is equal to sum. Sorry, sum is a function, and then what is the quantity? So QTY. So product table QTY. So this is the quantity. So this will give the what is the sum of the Q. Okay. Then again we create another measure. So this is the totals. So totals by sum. Totals underscore by using the sum. Okay. So then, so what is this one? The so already we created the sum underscore P total price. What is the we will use the into. Okay, and again then sum Q. So okay, then you will get the, so because of already we have created the sum of the price and sum of the quantities. So then you will multiply the price and quantity, then you will get the total sum. Then okay, yes, you enter. Okay, so what exactly we result we will get or not, then we will see. Then you create the one card visual. Okay, so in the card visual, then I move into the which one I want to move total sum. This is the what sum. So this is the millions. So then go to the this one, and then this is the go, and then effects and then header icon. Go to title. Okay, visual and collect value. So then you go to the auto, and then none thousands. So 5670. Okay, K is nothing but thousand. So then otherwise, then you will give the none. Then you will get the 1, 2, 3. So 5,67,000. So can you will open the our Excel data, then how much you will get? Same thing. So 5,67,000. Okay. So this is by using the sum. Okay, but we want to correct one. So then sum make, then we will use, then we will get the correct results. Okay. So this is by using the sum. Okay, then we will create some other measure. So 1 second. Okay, then we will create the sum x by using sum x. So sum x is what is the, so sum x. Go to the, sorry, new measure, not column. So go to the new measure and create the sum x. Okay, so total sales is equal to, so we're using sum x. So sum x, what is the syntax? So table. So what is our table? So product table. Okay, So product table. So comma, what is our expression? So expression is product, sorry, price. So product table price and into the product table quantity, correct? Product table quantity. So this is the expression. Okay. Then once you execute this one, then you will get the same result. So then again you will take the one more card visual. Okay. Then you move the total sum x totals. Okay. This one, this is the k na. So then you will go and then collect values. Then you will remove none. So how much? So 4,91,000. So how much get in the Excel? So like the same answer. Okay. So this is the correct answer. So which we using the sum x, then it is the correct one. So this one so this is the way we achieve the sum x value. So sum x. So if you want to use the single column, then you will go the sum. For example, if you want to use the multiple columns, or if you want to like this, then you will get the result. Then you will get the you will use the sum x function. Okay. So this is about sum and sum x. Okay, clear?